Ashgabat, Turkmenistan. Host of the upcoming Ashgabat 2017 5th Asian Indoor and Martial Arts Games in September, showed its organisational prowess this past week, as it hosted 2 Asian Championships and an international swimming tournament. The competitions took place across 3 venues in Ashgabat and showcased the city's state-of-the-art swimming venue and stunning new Olympic sports complex. It was 8 full days of world-class performances and personal bests in weightlifting, swimming, and kickboxing. Dubbed Inspiring Ashgabat by the organisers, the 3 events were also official test events for the Ashgabat 2017 5th Asian Indoor and Martial Arts Games, scheduled to take place this September. Judging by last week's celebration of sport, Ashgabat is ready to host the best Asian Indoor and Martial Arts Games ever.